Pheasant birds. Pheasants are a family of birds known for their colorful plumage and distinctive characteristics. They belong to the family Phasianidae and are native to Asia, but they have been introduced to many parts of the world for hunting and ornamental purposes. Some common features of pheasants include long tails, strong beaks, and striking feather patterns. There are many different species of pheasants, and they vary in size, coloration, and habitat preferences. One of the most well-known pheasant species is the ring-necked pheasant, often introduced for sport hunting in North America. The male ring-necked pheasant has a colorful plumage with iridescent green and copper tones, while the female is more camouflaged with brown and mottled feathers. Pheasants are ground-dwelling birds and are often found in grasslands, agricultural areas, and open woodlands. Pheasants are omnivorous and feed on a diet of seeds, fruits, insects, and small invertebrates. They are known for their distinctive calls and elaborate courtship displays, which can include spreading their impressive tail feathers and making loud, booming calls. Overall, pheasants are fascinating